In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for seasonality forecasts, fast and easy. So whether you're a business owner looking to optimize your marketing strategy, or a curious mind interested in understanding consumer behavior, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. You'll want to click on the very first link that appears. This will bring you to the main page of Google Trends, a powerful tool that allows you to explore dynamic data illustrating how search trends fluctuate over time. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the Explore tab. It's your gateway to a wealth of information, and clicking on it will allow you to start analyzing specific trends. Now it's time to enter the product or topic you're interested in. Type in a relevant keyword or category. For instance, if you're in retail, you might analyze terms like Christmas gifts or summer swimsuits. If you're focused on food, consider seasonal flavors like pumpkin spice latte or barbecue recipes. For service industries, try tax preparation or air conditioning repair. Once you've entered your topic, press the Enter key to proceed with your search. Next, let's refine your research with some filters. This step is crucial for tailoring the data to match your goals. Start by setting your location. You can choose a city, state, or region, which is particularly useful for aligning with local interests. Then, decide on a time range. Opt for the last 12 months to spot consistent demand, or a shorter term like the last 30 or 90 days for detecting surging trends. If relevant, select a category such as health or medical health to narrow the focus and decide on your search type, with web search being the default. Note that news search could uncover trending topics specific to regulations or medical advancements. Now let's define your interest over time parameters. Select a duration, such as the past 5 years, to reveal longer-term seasonal patterns. Look for recurring spikes during the same months each year. This signals a seasonal opportunity. For example, data for pumpkin spice latte shows peaks in September through October annually. Similarly, swimwear trends rise during May through July, correlating with summer campaigns. As you scroll down, take a moment to explore related queries and topics. Keep an eye out for broader categories or subtopics that are currently rising or considered breakouts. These are indicators of seasonal interest and can inform your strategy by revealing untapped markets or emerging trends. Lastly, consider comparing multiple products or niches by utilizing the Plus Compare feature. This is a handy method to evaluate several keywords concurrently. You can visualize which products or services experience peak interest simultaneously, helping to identify potential complementary items suitable for seasonal bundles or campaigns. And there you have it. With these insights, you're equipped to harness Google Trends to effectively forecast seasonality, aligning your marketing strategies with the flow of consumer demand. Thanks for watching, and happy trend hunting!